You look at 2023, for instance, Mr. President, the 2023 allocation for an program is 807 billion. In 2024, the allocation for an program is 731 billion. Would that be a correct statement, Mr. President?
Tama po. Tama
Mr.
po.
President, now you look at the released funds. Released funds for 2023 is 332 billion pesos. To intervene, Mr. President, distinguished colleague, you were saying yung sagip it's just because that's just one component that I'm looking at
Yes.
when you talk about the unprogrammed funds,
Yes.
when you talk about the entire DPWH fund. But the DPWH fund is such a big component po eh. Iba-iba po, no?
Yes.
If I'm not mistaken, in the recent years, may DOTR, DSWD, and DepEd would receive the largest share.
Correct.
And mostly for capital outlay and infrastructure projects. Is that correct, Your Honor?
Tama. Tama po.
Yeah, Your Honor, ngayon ho, 2025, and as mentioned already by our minority leader, this representation is very much interested in looking at this item in the budget, and I have been lobbying with our fellow senators here to look into this because this is very dangerous, Mr. President, as you're
Correct.
all aware
Tama.
of what
Kaya-
happened to this representation. You look at 2023, for instance, Mr. President, the 2023 allocation for an program is 807 billion. In 2024, the allocation for an program is 731 billion. Would that be a correct statement, Mr. President?
Tama po. Tama
Mr.
po.
President, now you look at the released funds. Released funds for 2023 is 332 billion pesos. Released funds in 2024 is 531 billion pesos under unprogrammed funds, Mr. President. This did not pass through the House or the Senate. Doon po sa 2023, flood control, 60 billion po yung nakalagay doon. Flood control lang. 2024, 155 billion unprogrammed. Release po ito, Mr. President. I'm not talking about allocation. Again, 244 billion released under DPWH, 155 billion flood control. Ang total release is 531 billion. Mr. President, what measures or safeguards are we looking at now? Because if this is the case, Mr. President, and we feel that if this particular program of the government is important, then we should not put it under unprogrammed, Mr. President.
Well, Mr. President, the safeguard is to remove it completely. So in 2026, we removed it completely, Mr. President.
In 2026.
Yes.
Because in the committee report that we're just talking about, there is a unprogrammed appropriations for 174
Yes.
billion, Mr. President.
That's why the component of those unprogrammed is foreign assisted projects of 97 billion pesos, GOP counterpart of those foreign assisted projects of 35 billion pesos, and the AFP modernization program of 30 billion pesos.
That is that is satisfying, Mr. President,
Yes,
to hear
Mr. President.
from our chairman, and that is why we need this.
Correct.
We need this data, Mr. President. We cannot just rely on summaries, Mr. President, because if that is the case, I will definitely not support the unprogrammed item here in the budget, Mr.
Well,
President. So,
Mr. President, that's why during the Blue Ribbon hearing, we lumabas po doon kung paano po naabuso yung unprogrammed, and His Honor knows about the abuses that were made during the past. Kaya po tinanggal na po yung mga ibang components, especially po yung sagip. No, yun po yung tinanggal dahil yung sagip parang ginawa ng parang catch-all fund for all of the different expenses of government. Nandun na infrastructure, nandun na rin po yung kagaya ng sinabi niyo, yung DSWD, meron pa nga doon ICT, so naging catch-all na siya. But definitely nagastos po yan. Malaki doon na portion na gastos for infrastructure, especially flood control, Mr. President.
thank you very much, Mr. President, and that's really why I am allergic, Mr. President, to unprogrammed funds, because any Tom, Dick, or Harry can actually pinpoint anyone, a senator, for instance, that you would know after 2 years that you are part of the unprogrammed funds. Mr. President, just to put on record, Mr. President, ang unprogrammed funds, doon po sa mga pinapasa nating GAA, meron po siyang provision. Hindi ho ba na hindi ito kayang i-access ng isang tao lamang, gagawa ng proyekto, at kagaya po nung sinabi doon sa Blue Ribbon Committee, na pa-release po niya, Mr. President. Is that
Tama.
correct, Mr. President?
Tama po, doon sa mga previous. We also...
Do we have it still in
no, we
in
don't
the-
have that anymore.
in this particular
Wala na po
2026
kasi limited
budget?
na ho yung use ng unprogrammed to foreign assisted projects and revised AFP modernization.
But
Mr.
we have a
President.
provision for the release of these funds, Mr. President, that indeed we usually put in our GAA that if there are excess revenue collection, new revenue
Yes.
collection, will that be part of this 2026
Yes, Mr. President,
GAA?
because that will be used to fund the foreign assisted projects and also the modernization program.
Yes, and I agree, Mr. President. And just to put again on record, nandyan po, Mr. President, excess revenue collection, new revenue collection, or those arising from new tax or non-tax sources, at yung approved loans for foreign assisted
Tama ho
projects. Is that
kayo.
correct? So
Tama.
again, Mr. President, it strengthen the idea on how we can access unprogrammed funds na hindi po ito maaabuso
Tama
at
ho
hindi
kayo.
po pwedeng i-claim ng kahit sino o isang individual na tao.
Actually, Mr. President, His Honor's experience led to these representations, really reforming the unprogrammed. Talaga hong naabuso ho yan in the past. If my memory serves me correctly, yung 2024 ang flood control lumabas mga around 25 billion.
It's
From that-
actually 155 billion, Your Honor.
Oo.
The
Tapos
flood
sa
control.
2020 from the unprogrammed. This is
Yes,
only from
this
the
is just for the unprogrammed, Mr.
In
President.
2025, if my memory serves me correctly, mga 85 billion yun eh. So talagang nagamit ho for flood control. Kaya tinanggal na ho natin yan based on your experience. Mr.
And this
President.
cannot be released by anyone, Mr. President.
In
It has to be passed through the Department of Finance, the Department of Budget and
Actually, the
Management.
DBM lang ho ang nagre-release, Mr. President. So certified by the BTR, and then after certification by the BTR, ibibigay na po sa ahensya, implementing agency, at yung implementing agency magre-request na sa DBM.
In short, walang kinalaman ng legislator, Mr. President.
Wala ho talaga.
Thank you,
Wala ho
Mr.
talaga.
President. Thank you, distinguished minority leader, for this short intervention.